An aircraft executes a horizontal loop at a speed of 720 km per hour with its wings banked at 15 degrees. What is the radius of the loop? Let us suppose that this is horizontal level of the aircraft. Now, the wings of the aircraft are banked at an angle of 15 degrees. So, because of this banking, the normal reaction force on the aircraft will be perpendicular to the wings. The weight of the aircraft will act vertically downwards. Because of the banking of the wings, the normal force will provide the necessary centripetal force for executing a horizontal loop. So, if we extend the line along which the weight is acting in backward direction, this angle also becomes 15 degrees. So, now normal resolves into two components as n cos 15 degrees and n sin 15 degrees. N sin 15 degrees provides the necessary centripetal force. So, this implies n sin 15 degrees is equal to, centripetal force is written as mv square upon r, where r is the radius of curvature of that horizontal loop. Also, n cos 15 degrees balances mg. Therefore, from these two equations, I can write tan 15 degrees equals to as v square upon rg. So, from this, r is equal to v square upon g times tan 15 degrees. According to the problem, the value of v is given as 720 km per hour, which is equal to as 200 meter per second. Therefore, substituting those values here, we get r equal to as 200 multiplied by 200 upon g value is 9.8 meter per second square multiplied by tan 15 degrees is given as 0.2679. On simplification, we get r value equal to as 15.24 kilometer. Therefore, the correct option is 4.